Alright guys, we've started out our Christmas project, so we're going to keep on rolling with another Christmas craft today. I hope you guys enjoy, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and a little bit of organization, but all on a budget. Come check out today's craft. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Check out some of my previous videos and let me know what you think in the comments below. I always try and link everything I use in the description box below as much as possible. If I can't link exactly what I use, I'll link something close. Alright, let's get started guys. As always, I ran out to the Dollar Tree and I got one of these tag boards and I untied the tag from the top. I'm going to use some chalkboard paint to paint the back of it, and I didn't do anything with the front. Here's a look after 2 coats. So I actually had a completely different plan. I was going to use some champagne and silver bulbs, and then I was going to use red and green ribbon coming down. But I forgot to get the red and green ribbon, so we're going to go ahead and roll with what we do have and make this work. Instead, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to make it a little bit more farmhousey. So I'm going to use more of the reds and greens here, and I'm going to use some Dollar Tree twine. It's just the regular colored twine, and I'm going to go ahead and glue them towards the top. Now, what I'm going to do is I set it all out so I know kind of where it's going to be, but obviously it's not going to be perfect. And so I'm going to go ahead and measure down, and then I'm going to measure just a little bit extra because we're going to need to tie the knot and also hot glue it. And that's going to kind of keep them where I want them. Does that make sense? Okay. I am going to tie and glue these one at a time so we can try and keep them where we want them. Or where we envisioned them, I should say. So I pulled this most of the way, but there's still a tiny little hole in there. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue and then pull it tight the rest of the way. And that'll just help secure that knot. You just got to be careful that you don't get your finger in it. And now the little tail. I'm just going to cut that off so it's not hanging out there. I want to for sure get the hot glue up here at the top to hold it, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure it in the back also. So as you saw, we just put a dot at the top, so it's not very secure up here. So that's what we're going to want to do. I want to go ahead and secure it more up here, so I'm going to flip it to the back. And these pieces that hang over just a little bit, we're going to go ahead and hot glue those. Give that just a second to cure, and I will be right back. So now to give it just a little bit more of a clean look, I'm going to go ahead and add the twine in the top that originally came in there as the little hanger. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a bow out of this burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to continue with the farmhousey Christmas look and finish it up. Okay guys, so here's a final look at the project. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments below. I can't decide if I like these ends of the bow or if I want to bring it up and make it more of a dovetail end. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you would do. You guys always have great ideas. Oh. Also, the bulbs are really light, but these little pieces at the very top pull off super easy. So if you wanted to weight them down so that they all hang really straight, rather than some of them having a little bit of the curve in the twine, you can totally do that. I just think it's cute and more farmhousey this way. I like having this chalkboard back because I left some space at the bottom that we could write how many days until Christmas, or Merry Christmas, or draw snowflakes in the background or something like that. It'd just be a lot of fun for kids also to be able to interact and use this as a countdown to Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to do another craft on next Sunday, and until then, bye-bye.